Okay, so in this video, we will give a simple example of the chain rule of differentiation. So if you recall, the chain rule says that when we have a composition of two or more than two functions, we always take the derivative first of the outside function. So here we have the original quadratic polynomial function, but then raised to the power of 4. So the power 4 function is clearly the outside function. So we differentiate that first with the power rule, bring down the exponent, subtract 1 from the exponent, but then the argument is the initial argument. Therefore, x squared minus 2x plus 9. But this is not the whole story. We've only taken the derivative of the outside function, so we've only peeled off the outer layer of our onion, but there's still something that we haven't peeled off, that we haven't yet differentiated. So by the chain rule, we have to multiply whatever we have so far by the derivative of what's left over, the second layer of the onion, the second function. So we have to be careful here that we have to multiply the first term by the full derivative of what's left over. So we have to here open up our parentheses, and the derivative of this function is of course 2x minus 2 plus 0. So 2x minus 2. Now, we've taken the derivative of the inner function, so this peels off the second layer of our function, of our onion, and once we've peeled off this layer and this one, then there's nothing left over. We have differentiated both layers of our function, so this completes the derivative. We can now simplify a little bit. We can factor here a 2, combined with the 4, we have an 8. If you take away 2, you're left with x minus 1. And then, of course, the more complicated term, x squared minus 2x plus 9 to the power of 3. And that's it.